Vijayalakshmi, working as an assistant professor at the SNS College of Technology. Now our third CST students are going to discuss about SOAP architecture. We are going to display as a role play.
SOAP architecture. SOAP is also known as Simple Object Access Protocol. It is a standard protocol used with web services to allow application to communicate over the internet using XML messages. It follows strict format of different systems can exchange data reliably.
Components of SOAP architecture. SOAP message, the XML based data being unexchanged. SOAP sender, the application of service that sends the SOAP message, usually the client. SOAP receiver, the service that receives and processes the SOAP, usually the server. SOAP intermediary, node that can process the message before it reaches the final receiver, used for logging, security, etc. Transport protocol defines how the message travels, commonly HTTP, but can also be SMTP, JMS, or TCP.
I'm here to play a role on SOAP envelope element. The required SOAP envelope element is the root element of SOAP message. This element defines the XML document and a SOAP message.
Message flow. SOAP message flow is divided into two types: client side and server side. Client side, application creates a request function call. Then SOAP library converts it into XML envelope. Then message is sent to HTTP and HTTPS. It is from the client side. Then server side. Server receives the SOAP architecture XML format. SOAP processor reads the envelope, then decodes it into XML and convert the server function call. Execute the function and sends back the XML SOAP response to the client server.
SOAP protocol stack, layer description, transport layer handles message transport, HTTP, SMTP, etc. Message layer defines the format and the structure. SOAP envelope description layer uses WSDL, web services description languages, to describe service interfaces. Discovery layer uses UDDI, universal description, discovery and integration, to locate web services.
Platform and language independent, highly secure, reliable messaging, standard stochastic, and work with any traffic. Disadvantages of SOAP: complex and heavy, harder to implement, slow performance, tight coupled, and not suitable for mobile modern web apps.
Here is the key features of SOAP. Key features of SOAP: platform and language independent, XML based format, extensible through headers, supports distributes computing, secure, works well with WS security, can use multiple transport protocols. SOAP versus REST. There is a quick comparison of SOAP versus REST. SOAP, its format in XML only, but REST in JSON and XML. Its transports can use HTTP and SMTP, etc. And REST is mostly in HTTP. Complexity is more complexible and SOAP is lightweight. Security in REST it's WS security, and in SOAP HTTPS secure security.
Real examples of SOAP. Banking systems. In banking system, we use SOAP for secure operations like checking bank account balance and money transfer. And user authentication, because of SOAP, supports the inscription, strict validation by financial institutions. Second example, online payment gateways. Services like PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, and Razorpay uses SOAP for payment authorization, transaction, status check, refund request, and it is reliable and secure. Third, government services, e-governments. Government portal often uses SOAP due to strict and secure data rules. Aadhaar verification, passport status check, PAN card verification. These are the major things used in the e-governments. SOAP ensures the high integrity and privacy in the